Okay, for one, I procrastinated with this video. Uh, I'm a perfectionist, and this isn't going to be perfect just because I'm still new at all this. Like I'm new at reviewing stuff. I'm new at unboxing stuff. I'm new at trying to figure out how to record it, how to set it up with the lighting, all this kind of stuff. New at YouTube, so my biggest thing about it is I just couldn't wait. You got to start from somewhere, and you're not always gonna be perfect. And hey, if it's bad, terrible, ugly in the beginning, then you have nowhere to go but up from there. But I'm just gonna go on ahead and share the unboxing video I did record when I purchased the Nikon Z6II, which I am recording on right now. So yeah, so just sit back, enjoy, tear me up in the comment section if you want to. But here is, my official unboxing video of the Nikon Z6II. Alright everybody, this is just going to be a quick unboxing video of the Nikon Z6II. I just picked it up today. Happy, I'm excited. So let's just go ahead and quickly get into it and let's see what we got. So, first things first, obviously the box. Opening up the box. User manuals, don't need them. Warranty cards, need them. What's this? Nikon School. I'll hold on to it. Alright, now I'm not gonna lie, I've already kind of pre-opened the box, but bear with me. We've got the Nikon Z6II. If you've used the Nikon Z6 or Z7 or you've held it, whatever, it looks exactly the same. What's this? Looks like a pouch. For the lens. Don't need it, got a bag, but it's nice to have at least. Here is the lens. So this is the Z6II kit. So this is the 24-70 f4 that comes with it. But I won't be using it as much, and I'll explain why. So we'll set that right there. Looks like a lens hood. Yep. Standard. I've already taken the battery out, and the battery is in the camera right now, the new ENEL15C. But along with that, got the battery charger, USB-C cable, strap, don't need it. So that's it for everything that's in this box. For the box to the side, don't need it. The reason I don't need that strap that came with it is because I always buy a Peak Design strap. Well, I don't always, but I much rather use third-party straps. And this one I got the Peak Design, the light. I don't feel like going through the whole thing, but that's the strap that I'll end up attaching to the camera. You'll see it on the camera at the end of this video and everything. Nice little pouch that it comes with. Dope. Something's in the pouch. All the connectors. The connectors and the keys. That's what's up. Alright. Alright. And the reason why I won't be using the 24-70 f4 is because we've got the 24-70 f2.8. Open up the box. At the top of the box, we got the lens hood for it. You can see the difference between the two size-wise. This is the 2.8. This is the f4. Once again, another pouch. Won't need it, but keep it around because you can even use the pouches as like, cloths and different things like that. Warranty card, definitely gonna keep that. Manuals, yeah. So that we don't need the box anymore. The 24-70 f2.8. Show you the difference. So step one in, you know, my quest of completing the holy trinity of lens. Got the middle lens, the 24-70. Still need the 14-24 and the 70-200, but in due time. Just definitely not right now. So yeah, so that's just a quick unboxing video of the Nikon Z6II kit, along with the 24-70 f4 kit lens that comes with it. Even though it's a lot better than, you know, the turn kit lens that's attached to it. Even though I'm not gonna use as much, it's still a great lens. Not gonna lie. If you would like it, contact me, let me know. We can work something out. But I will be mainly using this 24-70 f2.8. I do have a 50mm lens, but it is an f-mount lens, so I'll have to attach it with the adapter. Currently waiting to get the 50mm 1.2. So we'll see. But just stick around. We'll, you know, this collection is gonna grow. I'm gonna do some testing with the Nikon. You know, see what it's like. Let y'all know. And then if you got any questions, any comments, you know, drop them below. Hit me up. It is what it is. But yeah, just stay tuned for more. And thanks for tuning in. You know, just give a quick shout out to Murphy's Camera. You know, stationed in Louisville, Kentucky. Well, they've got 3 locations, 2 in Louisville, Kentucky, 1 in Lexington, Kentucky, but they're mainly, the main hub is in Louisville, Kentucky. That's where I purchased all my equipment from today. So, you know, I just want to give a shout out to them. They did a great job of, you know, making sure that one was reserved, put to the side for me and all that kind of stuff. I'll be doing more business with them in the future. So I would advise, if you are in the Louisville area or if you are in the state of Kentucky and you're looking for a dope, you know, camera shop, look up Murphy's. You know, make that trip if you have to, if you're not, you know, local within the city and stuff like that. But they'll take care of you. Shout out to Murphy's Camera for taking care of me and helping me out. And yeah, that's it. All right. If you're at this point, that means you made it through. It wasn't too bad. It was at least informational for you. Or you just laughed at it the entire way through, and hey, if that's what you did, I still got a view for it, so I'm not mad, I'm not complaining. But thank you once again for joining me. This is just part 1, which was just the unboxing. Part 2 will be coming next. I did previously record that as well, just never put it out there. But it was the actual walk around of the camera and the 2 lenses themselves, both the Nikon Z6II and the 2 variations of the 24-70. So stay tuned for that. Do the same thing. Watch it. Get some information from it. Maybe it might help you purchase it or not. Or you might just get a good laugh out of it and want to tear me up in the comment section again or talk about me, whatever. But hey, whatever happens, happens. So be on the lookout for part 2. Catch that. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.